In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Verizon Internet Gateway so you can get online quickly and get the best Wi-Fi performance at home. What's in the box? You'll typically find Verizon Internet Gateway, power adapter, Ethernet cable, quick start guide. Place the gateway near a window or open area during setup. Step 1. Check your Verizon service. Before setup, your Verizon Home Internet service must be active. Your Verizon account should be fully activated. You must be at the approved service address. The gateway will not connect if the service isn't active. Step 2. Power on the Verizon gateway. Plug the power adapter into the gateway. Connect it to a wall outlet. Press the power button if your model has one. Wait a few minutes. Blinking lights mean the gateway is starting up. A solid white light usually means it's ready. Step 3. Internet connection type. Verizon 5G or LTE Home Internet. No cables required. The gateway connects wirelessly to Verizon's network. Just power it on and wait. Verizon Fios or wired service. Connect the Ethernet or coax cable from the wall. Plug it into the WAN or internet port on the gateway. Step 4. Connect to Wi-Fi. Check the label on the gateway. Note the Wi-Fi name and password. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Select the network and enter the password. You should now be online. Step 5. Change Wi-Fi name and password. Open a browser on a connected device. Go to 192.168.1.1. Log in using the admin details on the gateway label. Open Wi-Fi settings. Change the network name and password. Save changes. Devices may reconnect automatically. Step 6. Use the My Verizon app. Download the My Verizon app. Sign into your Verizon account. Follow the setup and activation steps. Use the app to manage devices and troubleshoot. Placement tips for best performance. Keep the gateway in an open space. Place it near a window if possible. Avoid thick walls, metal objects, and appliances. Move it if speeds are slow or the signal is weak. A solid white light usually means optimal connection. For more details, check the full guide linked in the description. Already using Verizon Home Internet or planning to set one up? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more setup guides from Tekzoid.